If you are new to GCAD Plus, it's likely that you'll need to develop a title block and include some sort of logo. In the instance that I'm looking at here, I have a copy of the logo, but it's an image form. So if I select it and go to Format and Images, you can see I've loaded a PNG version of the logo. What we'd like to do is to recreate that logo using GCAD Plus. The reason that it is worthwhile doing is that if we transmit a drawing containing this logo to someone else, say an engineer or an architect, then if we want our logo to go with the drawing, we're going to have to also make sure every time we transmit the image file that you see here, and that's tiresome. So it's much better to create a CAD version of your logo, and that's what I've been doing here. So I used an image editor and picked up the color of the word unearthed, and then picked up the color of the text, landscape design and construction. Then I found one of our fonts that, while it's not identical, it's close enough probably to satisfy us. So I've put a new piece of text in here. Let's select it, unearthed. But notice if we zoom in here, and this E is a capital E. So what I've done is type the first two characters of the logo, U in the N, then the last group, 6. But I've also set the E as a separate character. So unlike the landscape design text here, which is the same font but in a different color, and is a single piece of text, here we've got a single piece of text, another single piece of text, and two more. So that works reasonably well. Let's just try it out on a design. So we'll switch to this particular design. Here we are in model space. Notice that there is no title block. The title block is placed in a layout space, and here it is. And I've called it Fits A3 Sheet. And if we zoom in here, the new text sits inside the title block and is crisp. So when this design prints, all will be well, and we can transmit it to other design professionals as a single design or drawing file. They can add their bit, and if necessary, send it back, and all of the logos and our information goes with the project. So I think that helps.